So this is part 2. So next I have this Panda Bun Squishy.
Isn't this a Panda Bun?
That is the Panda Bun Bow Bear Squishy.
What's the
I don't know
difference?
what I have,
It's
but
a
I will
bow.
tell you what, this is the softest squishy I've ever felt in my life.
Let me see.
So this is it.
Oh,
Let me feel it.
It's really soft.
Oh my god, I love this one because it's actually me.
nice.
That's a good one.
That is a good one.
This is really soft.
Right?
Is that a blush?
Yeah.
No, this is not a blush bun. Yeah, I haven't gotten to it.
Let me see that one.
This one's soft, Mimi. Feel this one. Okay.
Yeah, see that.
Oh,
So
wow.
You got the
this is
best
Leslie from
one.
my friend.
Lean in and say hi to the camera.
Okay, this is the chocolate waffle with sprinkles. I am
not
like,
slow rising.
oh my gosh, this one,
No, I like it though. Do you?
guys, this
But
is the
didn't you like the
chocolate
super
waffle with
soft one?
sprinkles,
Yeah, that kind of.
and I have wanted this one. The sprinkles fall off, but I don't care.
I mean, that looks edible.
Look at this.
I know.
It's like
my
mini
gosh.
waffle.
Oh, you're gonna like this because it's like texture.
I'm a texture person.
Yeah, it'll give you something to do
Ooh.
at your desk.
So this
I can
is
see you on the phone.
Yep.
this. I don't know what this one's called, but I like
You
the
can
texture of it.
Squish it.
Oh my goodness! So this is the
I like
medium
this one.
Panda Bun burnt squishy with the bow.
Because it's.
It's a little like roasted.
Ooh, I don't know what to think about this one.
No, I like it. It's got character.
This one's so slow rising.
Which one do you like, baby?
I don't know what to think of that one.
This.
Okay.
You see this
Oh,
one?
this is a. I like the size of this
Mhm,
in my
me.
hand. This is super slow rising.
Oh goodness!
What's
Look
this, a
it.
Christmas ornament?
I got the little
Joey one.
It's a Joey one.
No.
This is.
I wonder what Joey would think of these.
Hard to let go of.
Aw.
like,
Joey!
Yeah.
Don't call him in here. He'll eat them. So that's the
Maybe
squishy.
that one.
I like it too much. I can't. I don't want to share it. Ah. Okay. Here.
So this is the paw.
Isn't that nice?
Is
I wonder if they have them for adults.
What are you talking about? These are for adults and children
Well,
and
okay.
grandparents
I think like
and
for adults-
newborn babies.
Yeah. For instance, for adults, they could make it like a beer.
So this is
Why are
actually.
you so
Or-
obsessed with
A.
beer?
I'm not.
So this is the pink bread panda squishy.
You don't want to squish a.
The face is so
Panda?
cute and funny.
I know I do.
Like it's
I do.
flat and all.
This is the one I've been waiting on.
Do all of the squishies have? I have a question, Viv.
Yeah.
Question.
Hold on. Okay, so we're on to
This is
this.
very satisfying. I like.
I got a donut squishy. Okay, so this is the pink
I'm not a
donut
big
bear
fan of this.
with the drizzle.
This one is
Turn
just
me,
real
turn
so
me,
so.
turn.
This one, that one's kind of dense.
This.
I got the donut drizzle
This is.
pink
This is
squishy.
for this. This is why you
The
want
pink
this.
drizzle donut squishy.
Where's that big one?
Right here.
Oh,
Just
thank you.
wait. Ooh, it's so slow.
I really like this one. Have you?
Yeah,
Have you had the
so-
pleasure of squishing that? Squishy?
Oh my gosh.
Why
I
is
thought the
everything
other
centered
one was
around
the biggest one.
pandas?
Guys, okay, so this is the jumbo panda bun squishy.
This one's also textured, but it's less satisfying texture.
I have to open this. Ooh, guys. Oh
Why is it
wait.
less satisfying?
Holy god, that's a
the
big
design of
squishy.
it.
This is the
The
jumbo
what?
panda
The
bun.
design of the texture is not.
Oh, it's not
I
as
see.
appealing.
Okay, I'll be
Ooh, I like how it
done
rises
once I'm
though.
Yeah.
done opening. Okay.
You married me.
Oh my
No.
goodness.
Me.
That's a good one.
It's so slow rising.
If you
I
don't
thought.
catch it.
Oh, this one's cute.
You
got it.
Yep, didn't
This
even run.
one's
That
really
counts.
dense though.
This
I'm very great.
This one's really dense.
Yes.
Yeah. This one's a panda bear.
This is
Oh,
the
this
biggest
one's not
one.
even
I
so
think
rising.
this is the
so-
biggest one, Vivian.
Yes.
Okay.
Monster pant. I can't.
I think you're gonna enjoy this. I think I like the.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh, this is clever.
This is barely satisfying at all. This reminds me of dried out
Guys,
clay or something.
look at this.
Is there another one of those super soft ones? I like that super soft one.
This one's pretty soft.
You like
No.
this one?
This is very sticky. I don't like the
Okay.
stickiness.
Did you see this one?
On to our last squishy. It's a blush bun!
Yes!
I wanted a blush bun so bad!
So this
Oh
is
my
like no
gosh.
rise.
Get this out of here.
No
Okay.
rise.
This
It looks like a Krabby Patty.
okay, so this is the blush bun burger.
So is it ears within ears?
Eyebrows.
It's very textured.
Yeah, I need adult squishies. This is.
I don't think there's such thing.
So this is the
What do you got?
this is the blush burger. Blush bun burger.
It's so big. It's me.
It's so cute, guys.
I like that one.
You do?
I do like that one, yeah. I
Oh my
I like those better.
Mom, this is my blush.
Blush bun burger.
The
Let's try
last
tongue
thing
twisters.
in here. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so, dear customer, I am glad you like our products. I hope you are happy to use. Have fun every day. We are committed to providing the highest level of customer satisfaction. If you have any questions, please contact our customer service team. They'll be happy to answer your questions. MGG. Thank you for this.
Same.
Thank
It's the same material.
Bag.
Did I get
Okay,
any
ready?
extras? So I
Wait, hold on.
didn't get any extras.
1,
So
2,
3.
okay.
Were they all the same?
yeah.
So
Huh.
these are
But
all of the cell phone charms.
oops.
Oh my god, it comes with those?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet! It comes with the charms.
You didn't know
Yes.
that?
No, heck no.
They're
Oh,
good.
sorry, Viv. I'm trying to find the super soft one. Here it is. This is. I'm obsessed.
Oh yeah, that one is really.
Sorry,
How do you
guys.
get this on your phone?
I don't know. They said cell phone charms.
There's one.
I
Okay.
like the slow rising one.
So
Okay, so now we know this is a different material. Ready?
this one's the softest one, Mom.
No, this is. Let me see.
Oh yeah. No, that one is.
So let up on 4. So
1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice.
No,
That's slow.
This is
rising.
super slow rising.
That's what Vivi was talking about. Sometimes you have to wait. She said for it to
Mhm.
get all the way up.
That's what I like. I like the super slow rising.
I like this one because no matter what you do, it ends up with a smile. It's just smiling at the end. You can do.
Oh, ouch.
I like this, and I like this little cutout here.
It's so cute.
Yeah, is that for hand for holding purposes?
For
So I
satisfying.
like this one. I don't know. I like this one's pretty soft, and this one actually rises. See, it rises.
More importantly, this is the slowest squishy in the
Package.
package. Ready? Look at how slow rising that is.
Yep. So time for the outro.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.